Okay, hi guys. Let's start our video. If you have forgot your password of your PostgreSQL, like I have forgot my password. Okay, I know my password, but still I'm creating a scenario. So for this, what you have to do is go to your file manager, go to your C drive. After that, go to program file. After that, go to your Postgres. After that, 17. Go to data. Sometime you can find in front. Come to this HBA config, open with VS Code. Fine, it will open in VS Code. Ignore the background sound. I'm sorry. Just head towards down. Just okay, fine. Copy it. Right click. Change all occurrence. TRUST. Trust. Done. After that, save it. Don't cut it. Okay. Then head to search. Open cell SQL cell. After that, just hit enter, 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 enter. So you have penetrated your password. Now what to do is write alter user, write your username PUSTGRES. This is my username right now, PUSTGRES, WITH with PASSWORD password. Okay, put this, write your password 1234 and semicolon, hit enter, alternate role. Now just cut it. Whatever you have done, just revert it, save it. Fine. You have to do this process, else you will have a bad server. I guess it would be penetrating. It would be not good for privacy issue. Okay. And after this, cut everything. Now I will open this one more time. ATM. Okay. Just wait for a second. I guess this video is approx 3 minutes. Just a second. Okay, it will reach 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I can access my backend data. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to this channel for more updates. And you can comment me if you have some issue regarding any of the coding language. I'll definitely look for that solution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.